Hi guys, welcome to my channel NHN Games. Today I am back with a video to show you guys how to extract or download high rated, high storage games using an OBB file installer. The app is called XAPK installer and it is right here. You can install the high rated games or high storage games through this app like PES, Asphalt, like that games. So today I'm going to show how to download a game called Real Cricket. So today I select that game and you can see here after opening the app, select the game which you want to install. Like this I have selected Real Cricket APK and you can click the install button and they will extract the APK files and OBB files, and from here you can install it freely. You can install it. This is the best stuff and I will put the link in the description. Hope you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.